Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bottom-loading water dispenser. First, carefully unpack your new dispenser and place it on a flat, stable surface. Make sure there's at least 4 inches of space between the back of the unit and any wall for proper ventilation. Finally, locate the power cord and plug it into a grounded electrical outlet. This ensures your dispenser is ready for its first use and operates safely. Now, let's load the water bottle. Open the lower cabinet door of your dispenser. Take a standard 5-gallon or 3-gallon water bottle and remove its protective cap. Carefully insert the dispenser's probe into the bottle's opening. Then, gently slide the bottle into the cabinet, ensuring it sits flat. Close the door securely. This setup allows the dispenser to draw water efficiently from the bottom. Once the bottle is loaded, it's time to prime the system. Allow the dispenser to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, letting the water fill the internal tanks. After priming, dispense water from both the cold and hot spouts until you see a steady flow. Remember to always use the child safety lock on the hot water spout to prevent any accidental burns, especially if children are around. To keep your dispenser running smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Clean the drip tray at least once a week to prevent any water buildup. Every 3 to 6 months, sanitize the water lines using a food-grade cleaning solution to ensure fresh-tasting water. Always remember to unplug the dispenser from the electrical outlet before performing any cleaning or maintenance tasks for your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.